Summer is a great time to detox our bodies, and when it comes to detoxing, what's better than some juices? In today's video, I want to share with you 3 healthy detoxing juices. They're super delicious and refreshing. They help to clean our guts and livers, replenish our bodies with abundant vitamin C's and minerals. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first juice of today is our wonderful ABC juice. Ingredients are just as simple as its name. A for apples, B for beetroots, and C for carrots. I want to specifically talk about beetroots. They're absolutely one of my favorite vegetables, and I will highly recommend you to add them in your diet. Because beets rank among the healthiest of all our most commonly eaten vegetables. Besides being a good source of fiber, folate, and potassium, they're also known for their detoxing properties. They help to remove toxins from the body, improve bowel movements, and digestion. Now let's put everything into the blender. Since we have added some apples, which give this juice some natural sweetness, so I'm only using water instead of coconut water as its base. Now let's give them a nice blend. Look at this amazing color, so healthy and delicious. If you haven't tried beetroot yet, today is the day. The next one is green detoxing juice. For this recipe, we will need some cucumbers. They're super good for summer as they have high water content. Lemons, besides provide our bodies with a lot of vitamin C, lemons are also highly alkaline, which means they help to regulate the body's natural pH level. A bit of ginger. Ginger is a very powerful ingredient because it's very good for our gut health. It helps to soothe your digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and promotes healthy elimination. Kales, which contains anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer agents. Now let's blend this all up. I like to enjoy this green juice in the morning. It really helps to set my day off to a good start. And it's also an amazing way to consume various vegetables and fruits, especially if you find it hard to include more vegetables in your daily diet. Cheers! The last juice of today is liver detoxing juice. I name it this way as in this recipe we will have a special member, coriander. This wonderful herb is a natural remedy to cleanse your liver and helps to remove heavy metal toxicities from your body. Other ingredients are frozen berries, bananas, oranges, and coconut water. Frozen berries, as introduced in previous video, are rich in antioxidants. Besides providing our bodies with potassium, bananas also give the juice a bit of sweetness. Orange, great source of vitamin C and fiber. Lastly, some coconut water. Here we go, this super powerful detoxing juice. Try to drink it a few times a week to help the liver to remove the toxins. Because when our livers are cleaner, our skin and eyes are also more bright. Alright guys, that's so much for today's sharing. If you haven't started your summer detoxing plan yet, try these juices. They're refreshing and good for our overall health. Okay, if you like this video, it always means a lot that you give it a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Ciao ciao!